Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the kdbsync.exe has stopped working. Windows can check online for a solution to the problem. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the Start menu. Search for Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open this up. Double click on Display Adapters, and then right click on your display adapter listed under here and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have an AMD driver in here, go ahead and select it. Otherwise, select the generic one, but I would highly recommend selecting the AMD one if you have one in here, and select Next. And once you've done that, select close it here, restart your computer and see if that's resolved the problem. You can also go online to AMD's website and download their automatic driver download tool and let that determine if there are any new or up-to-date drivers available for your computer. Let them install, and then once that's done, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.